Congratulations on coming to this affiliate marketing tutorial. So after you're done with this course, here's the things that you're gonna know. You're gonna know what affiliate marketing is. You're gonna know what a niche is. You're gonna understand how to choose a niche. And you're also gonna understand the best products to be an affiliate for, how to choose the right product, what are the things that you wanna look for when choosing a product. You also are gonna learn how to make a funnel and then how to connect your autoresponder into that funnel, and then how to build emails in your autoresponder. And then finally, how to address traffic, how to learn where to look for traffic, and then how to go about doing that. We will touch base a little bit on paid ads as another form of traffic, because paid ads are the best way to scale. All right, well, let's get right to it. So first things first, who am I? My name is Daniel Vega. I have worn a couple different hats throughout my career. I've been in engineering, in manufacturing. I've been in the medical industry. I've done a couple things, but I got online because I started doing data science. So I was doing contractor style data science. And I did all of that work online, working remotely. And I really saw the power of making money online. And so from there, I wanted to expand on that. And I felt like digital marketing was the next best thing. And so I came upon this course, and that course taught me how to do digital marketing. And one of the things that I learned was that affiliate marketing was probably the best way to start. So that's what I recommend to everyone, and that's what I try to teach. Now, if you'd like to be a digital marketer and you want a very in-depth course in terms of affiliate marketing, you can go check the description for that. I'll link a course, the same course that I took actually. And so maybe that'll get you into the fast lane. But if you want to go through a quick tutorial on how to do A to Z, and I really mean do A to Z, because in this course, we're going to go through the motions and get you set up as if you had never done any affiliate marketing before, and take you all the way to the point where you are done and you're an affiliate marketer for something. So stick around. I hope you enjoy that. So we talked about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is basically when you promote somebody else's product or service. So as affiliate marketers, we're really problem solvers, right? We find an audience that has a problem, and then we go out and we find a solution for that problem, and we just connect the two, and we get paid for that. So we're marketers, and we're called affiliate marketers because the things that we tend to promote are not our things. So that's hopefully, in a nutshell, that's what affiliate marketing is. And by the end of this course, you'll have a pretty good understanding of what affiliate marketing is, because hopefully you could consider yourself one. Now, before we get started, I do want to give a quick disclaimer. And that disclaimer is that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are not going to expect it to start today, and in a month from now, you're going to be able to quit your 9 to 5. That is absolutely not what this is. Okay, in my first month, I made about $250, which was great, and that was amazing, but it's not the norm. The typical person doesn't actually see any kind of money for about 6 months. So that means that it takes a lot of work up front, it takes a lot of setting up, and a lot of patience. So one of the main things that I say is you gotta have a level of discipline to stick with it, even when you don't see the fruits of your labor. But as long as you stick with it, it's gonna happen. All right. Now, having said that, there are a couple other things that I want to introduce to you. As an affiliate marketer, you are going to need some tools. So let's talk about what those tools are. And the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a domain. So you can go to GoDaddy, you can go to Google, and just purchase a domain. They tend to range anywhere from $4.99 to about $12.99. Depending on the domain. I highly recommend that you get a .com. Try not to get something other than that, because it's not as trustworthy on the internet. And if you get to the point where you want to run paid ads, the .coms are usually accepted by all the different places where you can go to get paid ads. So domain, that's number one. Number two is you're going to have to pay for some sort of monthly service to create your funnel. Now, I have a service called System.io that I highly recommend because it's free, but you're not able to use your own domain. And so if you pay, it comes out to about $27 a month, then you're able to use your own domain. That's currently what I use, and that's what I suggest everybody use because it's very low cost. When I first started this, I used to use ClickFunnels, and even though that's a great service, it's $97 a month. So right away, it puts you at a very, in my opinion, large deficit when in the beginning you're not really making money. Now, having said that, if you do go with something outside of System.io, you will also need to have an autoresponder. Aweber is free for your first 500 subscribers, and then you have to pay after that. There's a couple limitations because it's free, but again, if you're trying to save money, there's another alternative for you. GetResponse is another autoresponder. And I'm going to touch upon what an autoresponder is right now and what a funnel is right now. But I just wanted to give you the heads up of the tools that you're going to need as an affiliate marketer. So now let's dive into it, right? What is a funnel? A funnel is kind of exactly what it sounds like. It's a place where you take a lot of traffic and you start to whittle that down to only the traffic that is interested in what you are providing. You don't want to spend tons of time with individuals who don't really care about your product or are not ready to buy your product. There has to be some level of interest, and that is what a funnel does for you. An email autoresponder is a software that sends out pre-written emails to your audience so that you don't have to. Imagine having 500 people in your email list. Do you think that you would have the capacity to send 500 emails a day? Chances are you probably wouldn't. And it would also make this business not so lucrative. So instead, we get autoresponders that can do all of these things for you. You write the email once, you set up a routine, and then the email responder takes over for you. And then there's tons of statistics behind that that'll help you out in understanding how to maybe write better emails, or write better subject lines, and so on and so forth. We'll touch base on that in a later episode. Now, in order to understand the power of affiliate marketing and to be successful in that field, I want all of you to understand that I promote high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, let me explain what that means. What that means is that the products that you're promoting should be something where your margins are fairly large. And if your margins are not large, then the product should be something that's very pricey, right? So it's going to deliver a lot of value. So let's say that we were talking about the health and fitness industry. And I'm going to give examples of, let's say that you are going to a gym. If you were to go to a gym, their high ticket product is usually going to be the coaching, the one-on-one trainer who's going to go out there, be with you, and teach you the workouts and run you through the workouts. That's their high ticket program. Now, as an affiliate marketer, I would want to help them push that program and promote that program for a cut of that. And so that's really what the high ticket affiliate marketing is. But in order to get there, we have to understand what a value ladder is. A value ladder is, it means that you start off with something small, something affordable, something that gives tons of value, and then you continue to scale from there. So something small in this same sort of health and fitness niche, and we're gonna go with the gym. You know, it would be something like, hey, come to our class. There's this free trial. And once you're into that free trial, that is your lower step where you're going to deliver value. It's affordable because it's free. And whoever comes in to see what you have to offer, if they like what they see, if they like the environment, they like the workout, they like the culture, then they're probably going to want to stay, and you can offer something greater. You can offer a monthly membership. You can offer that one-on-one coaching. Maybe you can offer a nutrition plan. And every one of these things is getting more and more expensive, and it's becoming more and more high ticket. And so the only way that somebody's going to get to that high ticket is if they trust what you do. So again, if you're the first person if it's your first time going to that gym and the workout wasn't very good, or the culture was a little toxic, you don't really like what you're seeing, you're not going to develop trust. And so you're going to want to leave. So that's why that first step is always one of the most important things to do.